Today I'm going to show you how to enter a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. This is used when you're making a payment toward your business credit card balance. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Under the Other section, select Pay Down Credit Card. This opens the credit card payment form. First, choose the credit card account you paid. In the field that asks, "Which credit card did you pay?" select the credit card account from the drop-down. Next, choose the payee if needed. This is usually the credit card company or bank you're paying. Now enter the payment amount. Type the amount you paid toward the card balance. Next, enter the date of payment. Use the actual date the payment was made. After that, choose the account you used to make the payment. Select the bank account or payment account the money came from. If you paid by check, turn on the check option and enter the check number. If you want to print the check later, select Print Later. You can also open the Memo or Attachments section if you need to add notes or upload a receipt. Before saving, review the credit card account, payment amount, payment date, payee, and bank account. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you need to enter another credit card payment, choose Save and New instead. QuickBooks will record the payment and reduce the balance on the credit card account. And that's how to enter a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online.